I wasn't sure what to expect from this wig, to be honest. So my initial plan was to do the Lagos hairline, but then when I brought out the wig, I realized, oh, I can't do that with this wig simply because of the way the wig is made, just as I'm showing you right here. So because of this, I cannot do further practice the Lagos hairline. So I had to think quickly. I had to improvise. So I decided to show you guys how I did install the wig. And this is what it looks like. The volume of this hair is overwhelming. Yeah, that's the very word. The volume is overwhelming. You guys, do not forget that this hair is also from the TikTok shop. I shared the unboxing with you guys some time ago, so it's linked up on my showcase just in case you're interested. All right, so I went ahead and cut off. Yeah, that always happened. I don't know how to control that. But anyway, so I went ahead and cut off the excess lace, and then I added my bronzer on the lace just to darken it to match my skin tone. I believe you guys are used to, rather familiar with that by now. So you guys also know that this glue I'm using is a mixture of the Got to Be glue spray and the Gorilla Snug Gel. So I just apply that around my um hmm, around my head, yeah, and then place the wig on it. I've explained this also before. So this is basically it. The step to installing this hair is very simple. It's like, I mean, for me now, it's not like ABC. You get. So, but one challenging part is the trying to blend the lace to my skin tone, because the lace is really hard, rather thick, and then it is very pale. You understand? It's very bright. So I had to try as much as possible to blend that to match with my skin. Like I mentioned before, the volume of this hair is overwhelming, and also it takes heat. This hair takes heat, but you have to be very careful just in case you get the hair. Okay, I use the minimum heat. I think this hot comb was on 80 to 100, something like that, so it was very, very low. So this is what am I saying? No, I mean, I used, I think, the lowest, yeah, on this hot comb. So let me not give wrong information. I used the lowest, and this is basically what it looked like. This video has been a while, I'll say, okay, so that's why you hear me use some past tense um phrase. Is that the word? Anyways, yeah. So this is how far I have gone with the installation. Nothing dramatic happened, I would say. All I did was try to, try as much as possible to blend the lace to my scalp, my skin, and that's it. So I'm just using the wax stick to tame the flyaway, just to make sure the hair is looking all slick and nice. And yeah, with my makeup on and all of that, I think the hair ate, rather the wig. I mean, to a standard, it does. It is not 100% human hair, I've mentioned before. So please do have that at the back of your mind just in case you're getting this hair. And yeah, you guys, this is it. I love it. Loving it. So because of how, voluminous the wig is, I had to use a band on it just to see, in case if I want to wear it to work, how I can, finesse it. You get. So this is it. What do you guys think? Let me know your thought in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, you guys.